Do not give the location of this place, otherwise I'll remove your comment. Anyways, here will be the parking elevator at an undisclosed location. This property is owned by Highwoods. Here we come to the parking elevator at an undisclosed location in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler, used to be Westinghouse. And it's on my GoPro Hero 5 session before I get my handy cam. These buns are so rare. Here it is. Go down to P3.
Your boots fitting you okay?
Yes.
They too tight, too loose, comfy?
Comfy. Here we go. These are so rare. Nice indicator. First one I've seen in person. These used to be Westinghouses. I'm not showing the carpet because I'm trying to keep this location undisclosed.
I shouldn't say that type of...
G. See, that's the parking. Just the red level. Door close button does not work. No. No. Wow, so smooth. Wow, it's smooth. It's a nice elevator. They're fixtures. I don't know what these are. Maybe California coded. 88 compliant phone. Nice 500A indicator. Ring the bell. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Like the video. Highwoods, do not sue me.